Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Teacher Dawn.
How are you today?
I am happy.
Yay. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes. Are you tired?
No.
Are you sad?
No.
Are you hungry?
No.
Very good. So I am fine. Thank you. And what day is today? Very good. Today is Thursday. Anybody here can spell Thursday? Excellent. So it's Thursday and it's 20th of February 2025. Very good. So what's the weather like today? It is sunny day. Is it cold? No, it's already hot, right? It's cold inside because we have the air condition. That's why you feel cold. Right? Yes. So what are the 7 days of the week?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Very good. So how many days in 1 week? There are 7 days. Very good. And how about the months of the year?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
How many months in 1 year? Yes, 12 months. So as a recap on our lesson last time, we learned about, what letter did we learn last time? Letter? What letter? S. Yes, very good. Letter S. So we learned about the 4 words. Yes, very good. 4 words that starts with letter S. What are those? S is for snake. S is for seesaw. S is for sun. And what? Sandwich. And what's the name? Spot. Okay. So for today's lesson, we're going to learn about, you know what are these on the board? About shapes. Very good. S-H-P-E-S. Shapes. We have 8 shapes that I'm showing you here on the board. Yes. So do you know about the shapes? You know about the shapes? Okay. So we have here circle, triangle, square, rectangle, diamond, oval, star, and heart. Yes. So before that, I want you to learn a song about shapes. So we're going to sing a song. It's a circle, and a triangle, and what shape is it? So you will answer, it is a circle. But for oval, oval starts with what letter? Letter O. So it is a vowel letter. If vowel letter, you will use an. So you will say, it is an oval. Okay, now I will ask you, what shape is it? Very good. What shape is it? Very good. What shape is it? 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 Okay, so now by using the song, I will going to call a student and then you will answer Teacher Joy's question. What shape is it? Then I will call the name, you will answer. Okay, do you understand? Okay, ready? What shape is it? What shape is it? Faith. It's very good. What shape is it? What shape is it? Pakwan. Very good. What shape is it? What shape is it? Epe. Very good. What shape is it? What shape is it? Ton. What shape is it? What shape is it? Piao piao. Very good. What shape is it? What shape is it? None. What shape is it? What shape is it? Idea. It's a what? What's this? It's a heart. What shape is it? What shape is it? August. Very good. So let's give ourselves a round of applause. Everybody, round of applause. Okay, so now I have some pictures of objects. Okay, Teacher Joy has some picture of objects. I have here, you know what picture is this? Yes, very good. It is a door. Correct. Next picture is, sorry, again? Yes, it is a starfish. Very good. Do you know what is a starfish? Yes, okay. You like starfish? What's this? It's a slice of watermelon. How about this one? Yes, it's a clock. Yes, the same. Next, what shape is it? Sorry, what object is this? It's a ball. Very good. How about this one? It's a cave. Very good. It is a cave. Later on, Teacher Joy will ask you what shape is it. How about this one? Okay, so this object, oh sorry, just have the last picture. Very good. It is an egg. So this object has shapes, right? So what shape is the door? Again? Very good. The door is rectangle. How about the starfish? The starfish is a star. Yes. What about watermelon? A triangle. Perfect. How about this? Square. Very good. How about the ball? Teacher Joy, okay?
One by one, yes.
Yes, one by one. Okay, first I will call Ton. Okay, Ton, sit up,
Shape
Ton.
or dog?
I will ask you what object is it.
Yeah.
Okay, Ton.
It's a monster curry.
Okay, what object is this? What object? Square, yes, it is a square. And what object is it? Okay, okay. What object is it? Clock, very good. What shape is a clock? Yes, the same as that one. What shape is the clock here? What shape? Square, it is a square. So you say a clock. A clock is like, a square like a clock. Very good. Okay, let's give Ton 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. How about who wants to answer? Okay, stop. I will call August. Okay, August, what object is this? What object? What object? It is a ball. Very good. What shape is a ball? Circle. So, circle like a, again? Very good. Again, let's give August 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Fei Fei. Okay, Fei, what object is this? No, what object first? It is a door. So door is what shape? Rectangle. Very good. So a rectangle like a, again, rectangle. Very good. Okay, let's give Fei Fei a round of applause. A round of applause. Okay. Next is, okay, Pak1. Come here, Pak1. Okay, Pak1. You know that Pak1 name in Philippines is watermelon. Yes. Watermelon in Philippine language is Pak1. Pasa Philippine. Yes. Yes. Okay, Pak1, what object is this? What object? What picture? What picture? A water slice of watermelon. So what shape is the slice of watermelon? What shape? It is a triangle. Very good. Okay, let's give Pak1 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, you may. Next, I want Kunan. Okay, Kunan. Okay. Kunan, what object is this? It's a cave. Very good. Again. What object is a cave? What object? What shape, I mean. What shape is a cave? What shape? What shape? It's a heart. Very good. A heart like a cave. Again. Very good. Okay, let's give Kunan 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, everybody sit properly first. Holy, 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 holy. Clap, clap. Holy, 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 holy. Snap, snap. Holy, 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 holy. Hands on your lap. Are you listening to Teacher Joy? Yes or no? Are you listening to me? Okay, everybody sit properly. And I will call again another student who wants to answer. Bang Pan. Okay, Bang Pan, come here. Okay, Bang Pan, what picture is this or what object? Louder? Very good. What shape is an egg? It is an oval. Okay, so an oval like an Very good. Okay. Clap your hands for Ben Fun. A round of applause. Yes, Ethan. You want to answer that? Oh, Ethan wants to answer. Okay. Okay, there. What is this? Very good. It is a kite. What shape is a kite? What shape? It is a? Yes, kite. What shape is it? What shape? Diamond? Diamond. Very good. Like this one, right? It's a diamond. Okay, everybody, let's give Eden 5 claps. 1, 2, 4, 5. Good job, Tess. Good job. High five. Very good. Okay. High five. Okay, everybody, let's say a diamond like a kite. Again, repeat. Very good. Next. An oval like an egg. Again. Very good. A rectangle like a door. Repeat. A rectangle. Very good. Okay. A star like a starfish. Repeat again. Very good. Next is a triangle like a watermelon. Again. Very good. Next. A square like. Very good. Again. Next. A circle like a ball. Again. You have to say the shapes first and then the object, okay? A heart